Here we are at Apparition Hill going up, and you listen, there's a hotel, or better at the pizzeria, and you hear the joyful clapping, the noises of the plates. Isn't that beautiful? And the talks, joyful talk. And let's go up. See, they're all here, having a nice coffee in the morning. Isn't that beautiful? And having a good time, and we go up to Apparition Hill, to the foot. I will see if I go up today, because it's getting already hot, but I want to show you what's going on. There we are, coming closer to Apparition Hill. Here we are. People enjoy an espresso in the morning. And it's the Sunday quietness, isn't it beautiful? And isn't it beautiful? The couple, each one helping each other hand in hand. To see that, that's the spirit of Medjugorje. Go hand in hand, helping each other. Gives in both. There's the son with the mother after the couple. Isn't that beautiful? Hand in hand, step by step. If you go up that mountain, the meditation is go step by step, living in the moment, because you have to be so careful with the stones. And look, there's a new couple going up, and there they're coming down. So I leave you with this beautiful view. God bless you all from Medjugorje.